So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So what is a name? A name gives you an identity. It is who you are. So as nēhiyaw, we believe that names have a spirit attached to them. And the spirit of the new St. Francis School is a foundational, tangible nēhiyaw place of knowledge and teachings that will express the driving force of this new school. That school represents the Northern Lights, kâ-nîmîhtocik. Then you need a name that will suit this new building. So now you got to think St. Francis. Okay, who was St. Francis? What kind of name do we give her or this building with that soul, with that spirit? So a Cree name.
Taking care of our spirit, gathering our knowledge.
So yeah, one English and
One Cree.
one Cree word, yeah.
But has to be one word that describes it, the whole thing, huh?
Decolonizing our schools.
Oh, I love
Yeah, just the motion, what do you? Nature, I love it.
It's important to us to have our new school be about us and not about what other people have named us.
I think it should represent our history as Cree people who are home to this area, and it'd be good if our stories resonated in this name.
It's a new beginning for us. I think it's very meaningful that everybody's involved, and a home is where the heart is, but learning is an education of the heart.
And that's why it's important to have your children, your future students of this new school. What would a good name be?
Like I thought about this one, 4 directions, and there's a Cree word for that.
Well, we have been talking about it, but we haven't decided yet. But I think kids have good ideas for names.
Okay, I want you to turn and talk with your partner first. Turn and talk.
They can name me St. Francis too.
Do you know who that is?
No.
Come put a word up here that will help be part of the name in your mind. Like, if it's Mohegan.
I think it's pretty cool. I think it's nice that they let other people have decisions instead of the older people. Like children in the different types of grades. I think it should have like someone that was close to Jesus, and the name in Cree syllabics, and the name in English, and just Cree. It represents how long we've been here and what we've gone through as nēhiyaw people.
They know it's going to be their home. The students know it's being built for them. Everyone who attends here, and then likely for generations, will hopefully remember this process, and they'll be able to say, I was there when we picked the name, I was there, I gave these ideas, and not just the name, but the image of the school and the brand of the school. It can resonate with everyone.
Right from the students to the families to the community, it's good that we put so much effort towards naming our school. It's a new beginning for us.
We're going to do a good job today to have conversation, and will take us to the next step.
So the naming process is very important to our tribe, because we do ceremonies and stuff for naming that child or naming a specific place. So it makes it whole and stronger.
Whichever name they agree with, something that, to me, that will unite the urban children. A name that's gonna say they grew up here. They got to learn their language here. They got to learn about our traditional protocols.
This was an in-depth process that was thoughtful and amazing, and it took us a year. And through discernment and ceremony and spiritual prayer, we came up with the best possible name, a-wah-sih-suk, kâ-nîmîhtocik, St. Francis School.
The St. Francis that lived in Italy in the 1200s felt he was called to recognize the work of the Creator on this earth, and that I think is more in keeping with what we're trying to do at that school, finding the Creator again from the Cree perspective.
A-wah-sih-suk, kâ-nîmîhtocik, children dancing, because now they will dance in spirit, those that never made it back.
This is a new school with a new name that represents a new beginning that will shape our future.